You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this originally American company based in San Diego or headquartered in San Diego, California. This is an Italian name pronounced in Italian as Vuori, Vuori. Alright, yes, this is why in English it's also pronounced similarly as Vuori, V-O-R-I. How to pronounce brand name Vuori. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.